Hi, I'm Jen. Whether you're buying your first home or you're downsizing for retirement, there's a new community in Jackson Township that's made just for you. Welcome to Jackson Park Place at Glendale Reserve, with low-maintenance condos that are priced just right. What a selection you have at Jackson Park Place. Ranch and two-story plans, each offering main-level owner suites. Kitchens that will spark your cooking creativity for any meal and buzz with conversation during every party. Open floor plans that bring life into one vibrant space. And attached two-car garages means no more scraping your windshield in the winter. Speaking of winter, you can also forget shoveling snow and mowing your lawn all year round. All outdoor maintenance is done for you. So what are you going to do with all of your extra free time? You could shop a weekend afternoon away at Belden Village Mall and the Strip, and then go out for dinner. Hit the links at one of the many local country clubs and public golf courses. If you're a frequent traveler, you will love the Akron-Canton Airport is only 7 miles away. Whether you're just starting out in your life and in your career, or diving into the fun after your career, Jackson Park Place at Glendale Reserve is the low-maintenance address you need. Come see your new lifestyle today. Click the orange Contact Us button on the website to get the first look at your new home.